What makes this equation seem difficult is the fractions. So we're going to add one extra step to our already established equation solving strategy, and it will clear out the fractions. So to clear out the fractions, we multiply every term by the least common denominator of the fractions. In this case, that would be 14, because 14 is the least common denominator of 7 and 2. What is really important is to remember you have to multiply every term, whether it has a fraction or not, by that least common denominator. So we have to go in and multiply 14 times the first term, the second term on the left side, and then the term over there on the right. You can think of 14 over 1. Actually, you can think of anything over 1. And now we will multiply each term by 14 and see what we get. Well, over here the 7 cancels with the 14, leaving a 2. 2 times negative 4y is negative 8y. 14 times negative 1 is negative 14. And on the one term on the right, the 2 cancels with the 14, leaving behind a 7. That's a 7. And 7 times 5 is 35. And you can see the new equation does not have any fractions. Now we have to get y alone by adding 14 to both sides to begin with. Negative 8y equals 49. And then we'll divide both sides by negative 8. So our solution, since these cancel, is y is equal to negative 49/8. Our solution is a fraction, but by multiplying every term by the least common denominator, we didn't have to deal with fractions throughout our calculations solving the equation.